my viewers Vtrus, right?
Yeah, Vtrus. So we do indoor autonomous drones. That means we fly around industrial facilities like manufacturing facilities, power generation, warehouses, data centers, and we collect the information that's necessary for predictive and preventative maintenance. That's images, 360 videos, thermal images, environmental measurements like temperature, humidity, gas readings like VOC and CO2.
This is it right here, right?
This is it right here. So this is a fully autonomous drone that uses computer vision to understand where it is.
Oh, okay.
This is its base station.
Right here.
And through the combination of the drone and the base station allows it to land and recharge, kind of keep the person out of the loop. You don't have to exchange the battery every time.
You say the space station allows it to land and recharge?
Correct. So
right here, right?
Correct, right here. So what happens is these flaps will center the drone, and then these two arms will come down and recharge the drone. And so normally the drone would be telling the base station, hey, I need to recharge, but since it's fully charged, we can just go ahead and do that right now.
So the drone the drone kind of automatically land on the station too?
It can. So we generate dense 3D maps of the environment, so we don't need a pilot, we don't need a GPS. We can navigate the environment through external cues that you don't have to install in the environment.
And this is available now?
This is available for a pilot right now, so we're working with industrial customers to get into the facility and understand how they can work autonomous data collection.
Have you been to CES yet?
We have not been to CES yet.
Oh, I hope I see you next year, man.
I completely agree, yeah.
Yeah, this is something else, man.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, thank you, Zenny.
So it's a